Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily delete your history on Reddit, so let's jump right into it. We're going to be using the mobile app, so make sure you have it installed and then go ahead and open it. Once the main page loads up, go ahead and tap on the search icon in the top of the screen right here. You can find here the search history that you have done in Reddit. To delete it, just tap on the X next to every search history. Now if you want to delete the history of the posts that you have been checking, go ahead and follow up with me, tap here in the top right corner, and then tap on history. And all of the posts that you have ever checked out will appear right here. In order to delete them, you can tap on the three dots in the top right corner, tap on clear history, and just like that, all of them has been deleted. Now for an example, let's go and check out another post to add it to this list right here. Let's say I want to check this one. If you want to delete the history again, just repeat the previous steps. Tap right here, tap on history, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and then tap on clear history. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching.